everyone, it's Andrea from Lightly Sketched, and today I'm here with my daughter Chloe.
Hi.
And we're going to be creating glitter slime using essential oils. I can't say enough good things about slime. It's so versatile. Besides being extremely fun to squish and poke, creating and playing with slime has several benefits as well. Visit my blog to learn more. I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can also take any slime recipe to the next level by simply adding essential oils. We'll show you how in this video. Today we'll be adding lavender, calm, and jasmine to create our galaxy slime.
Don't forget to like and subscribe now. Let's get started.
For today's galaxy slime, you'll need a measuring cup, measuring spoons, Elmer's glitter glue, Elmer's magical liquid, a large bowl, glitter, essential oils, and a mixing spoon. Step 1. Pour your glue. Empty the entire bottle of Elmer's glitter glue into your mixing bowl. Step 2. Add your essential oils and stir. We added 6 drops of lavender to our blue glitter slime. Step 3. Add your glitter. Go crazy! Chloe added approximately 3 teaspoons of blue glitter to our glue mixture. Step 4. Add Elmer's magical liquid. Gradually add 2 teaspoons at a time of the Elmer's magical liquid to your mixture until you are happy with the consistency. We added approximately 12 teaspoons or a quarter cup gradually. Step 5. Knead. Remove the slime from the bowl and knead it until it is smooth. Repeat these same steps to create your pink and purple glitter slime. We added jasmine to our purple slime and calm to our pink slime. Once all 3 essential oil slimes are complete, mix them together to create a fragrant galaxy swirl. Did you have fun today?
Yeah!
Please let me know in the comments how your glitter slime turned out.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you again soon.
Bye!
Bye!